Control and coordination in plants. In this video, we will discuss about control and coordination in plant. Control and coordination in plant is not as elaborate as in animal. Plants do not have nervous system, muscle and sense organ like the animal have. Still, they can respond and react to various environmental stimuli such as light, gravity, water, touch, chemical, etc. Plant in fact show two different type of movement in response to various stimuli. One type of movement are independent of the growth like touch me not plant, and other type of movement are dependent on growth like directional movement of seedling with root growing down and stem coming up. Both these types of movement are affected by the action of plant hormone or phytohormone. In other words, plants coordinate their responses against environmental stimuli by using hormones. Plants thus possess only chemical coordination. The mode of the action of hormone in plant is different from that in animal. In plant, the hormones coordinate their behavior in two different ways. One is affecting the growth of the plant. As a result, part of the plant show movement. And second, affecting the shape of the plant cell by changing the amount of water in them, like shrinking of the cell, swelling of the cell. Thus, growth and movement in plants are regulated by both external stimuli, which are provided by the environment, and internal factors like hormones. Hormones are released by the stimulated cells and diffused all around the original cell. Now, what are plant hormones? The chemical substances that are naturally produced in plant and are capable of regulating the important processes of plant is called as plant hormone. There are major types of plant hormone which affect the growth of the plant. One is auxin. First one is auxin. Auxin. The hormone is usually synthesized in the young tips of the roots and shoots, helping them to grow longer. Growing plant placed facing a light source should bend towards it. Why? Because the auxin diffuse towards the shady side of the stimulated cell to grow longer. Major function of auxin is to promote cell elongation and cell division. It also helps in formation of roots and seedless fruits. Gibberellin. Gibberellin, the hormone that help in the growth of stem and flower. Cytokinin. Cytokinin is the hormone which promotes cell division and delayed aging in leaves. Application of cytokinin reduce the apical dominance and also stimulate the leaf expansion. SR.SEC acid. A rest of the three hormones like auxin, gibberellin and cytokinin promotes the growth, whereas SR.SEC is a growth inhibitor. That means that it reverses the growth. Right? So, it helps in reversing the growth and it also helps in bringing the dormancy of the seed. Now, first of all, we have to understand what is meant by dormancy. Seeds are generally in dormant states. Now, what is dormant state? The state when the seed is in inactive condition. That is, when there is no growth taking place from the seed. Once we provide them such condition which help them to break the dormancy, like there are the condition like we give them a little amount of heat and little bit of moisture, that these are the condition which are required to break the dormancy so that the growth hormones can be secreted by the cells and the growth of the plant seedling will take place from the seed. But if the seed is now going to that state where it is the dormancy, now that is when the abscisic acid will play its role. Why? Because abscisic acid will help in promoting the dormancy of the seed. Fifth hormone is ethylene. Ethylene is a gaseous hormone. It performs the function of, like, it helps in the ripening of the fruit. It also helps in promoting cell division.